You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Primary K Punk with Tarkeshwar Pandey. Good morning, you all. Today we are going to know about our chapter number 11 from Environmental Studies. The name of this chapter is The Valley of Flowers. So let's start this very beautiful chapter, The Valley of Flowers. But before starting this chapter, now I am going to ask some interesting questions related to this chapter. Question number 1. Which flowers do you like most? Which flowers do you like most? I think you will say the names of different flowers for the answer of this question, because there are different flowers which color attract each and everyone. But the choice of each person may be different. Now I am going to ask the second question, and the answer of this question will be single and same for you all. My question is, which is our national flower? Which is our national flower? Now your answer will be lotus. Exactly, this is the correct answer. Our national flower is lotus. Now I am going to ask our question number 3. And this question is, which is the smallest and the largest flower of the world? Once again, which is the smallest and the largest flower of the world? Do you know the name of the smallest and the largest flower of the world? I think someone of you may know the answer of this question. No problem, I am going to say the correct answer. But remember the answer for your next chance. The smallest flower of the world is Ulphia, and the largest or biggest flower is Rafflesia arnoldi. Once again, I want to repeat the answer of this question. The smallest flower of the world is Ulphia, and the largest or biggest flower is Rafflesia arnoldi. Okay, so remember these two names, Ulphia and Rafflesia arnoldi. Ulphia is the smallest flower and Rafflesia arnoldi is the largest or biggest flower. Okay, so remember these two names. The smallest flower in the world is the smallest flower in the world is Ulphia, and the largest flower is Rafflesia arnoldi. Now I am going to ask question number 4. Which flower is favorite to Lord Shiva? Once again, which flower is favorite to Lord Shiva? I think someone of you can say easily the answer of this question. Yes, very good. Dhatura is the correct answer. Dhatura is a favorite flower to Lord Shiva. Now this is my last question for you. Which flower blooms at night? Which flower blooms at night? The correct answer of this question will be Night Queen, because the name of this flower also says the quality of this flower, Night Queen. Many of you have said the correct answers of this question, and some of you have thought the correct answer in your mind. You must know about these questions. Okay, now we are going to know the TLO, means target learning outcomes of this chapter. It means which topics will you learn in this video. Now we are going to discuss about this. The target learning outcomes of this video are: number 1, knowledge about the valley of flowers. Number 2, identification of different flowers. Number 3, identification of different parts of flowers. Number 4, knowledge about Madhubani art. Number 5, different uses of flowers. Number 6, some special uses of flowers at different occasions. Number 7, do not pluck the flowers. Number 8, flowers in Granny's recipe. Number 9, favorite flowers of different god and goddess. Now know once again the target learning outcomes of this video. Number 1, knowledge about the valley of flowers. Number 2, identification of different flowers. Number 3, identification of different parts of flowers. Number 4, knowledge about Madhubani art. Number 5, different uses of flowers. Number 6, some special uses of flowers at different occasions. Number 7, do not pluck the flowers. Number 8, flowers in Granny's recipe. And number 9, favorite flowers of different god and goddess. Okay. So after watching this video, you will know about these 9 target learning outcomes. So now know one by one. First of all, know about the valley of flowers. In the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. This place is called the Valley of Flowers. Uttaranchal is the old name of Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Valley of Flowers National Park is an Indian national park located in North Chamoli and Pithoragarh. Once again, Valley of Flowers National Park is an Indian national park located in North Chamoli and Pithoragarh in the state of Uttarakhand. It is famous for different colorful flowers in our whole country. Now look the state Uttarakhand on the map of India. Can you say the name of neighboring states of Uttarakhand by the help of this map? You can easily say the borders of Uttarakhand also by the help of this map. The border of Uttarakhand are China to the north, Nepal to the east, Uttar Pradesh to the south, and Himachal Pradesh to the west. Once again, I want to repeat the border of Uttarakhand: China to the north, Nepal to the east, Uttar Pradesh to the south, and Himachal Pradesh to the west. Okay. There are 13 districts in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand was famous for its different scenery and views. So different people go for watching this scenery and mountains in Uttarakhand. There are 13 districts in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand was formed on the 9th November 2000 as the 27th state of India, when it was carved out of northern Uttar Pradesh. Okay, the Valley of Flowers is situated in the hills of Uttarakhand. In some places, one sees red flowers blooming on bushes, while in others one finds white flowers peeping out between the stones. There are wide areas carpeted with the brightest yellow flowers, and suddenly, elsewhere, blue flowers shining like teeny stars between the grass. All this seems like a beautiful dream, doesn't it? You can look this all scenery in only one place, and the name of that place is Valley of Flowers National Park. But this dream will come true when you will go to the tour of the Valley of Flowers in Uttarakhand. Okay, now identify the flowers from your mobile screen. Try to think which of them are found around you. Also try to guess the name of flowers. Write the name of flowers in your notebook. Okay. Now know the parts of a flower and try to understand these parts. look different parts of flowers on your mobile screen. Do you know? Bud is the main part of flower from which any flower comes out. So you can also say bud is the mother of flower. You can look the sepals of the flower which are green in color. Then the next part of flower is petals which are found in different colors. So remember once again, sepals are the outermost part and sepals are found in green color. Petals are the colorful parts of the flower. Petals are found in many colors. The next part of flower is stamen. Stamen is the male part of the flower. Then the next part of flower is carpel or pistil. Carpel or pistil is the female part of the flower. Stamen has two parts, anther and filament. Stamen has two parts, anther and filament. Carpel or pistil has also four different parts. These are stigma, style, ovary and ovule. You can look these all parts on the given picture on your mobile screen. Now observe once again the parts of the flower. You can find sepals at the bottom of the flower. Above the sepals you can find petals. You can find the stamen and pistil on the top of the flower. Okay. Now we are ready to know about Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting is also known as Mithila painting. Madhubani art or Mithila painting is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. Look at the design in your mobile screen. The design in the picture is called Madhubani. It is a very old form of folk art. Do you know why it is called Madhubani? There is a district in Bihar called Madhubani. Here, during festivals and happy occasions, the walls of the houses and their courtyards are painted with such pictures. These paintings are made out of paste of powdered rice in which color has been mixed. The colors used in Madhubani painting are very special too. To make them, indigo means neel, turmeric means haldi, colors from flowers and trees, etc. are used. The paintings show human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds, etc. Okay. So now know about the next part of Madhubani art. Madhubani art or Mithila painting is done with a variety of tools including fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pens and matchsticks. Do you like Madhubani art? Now know the uses of flowers. Flowers are used for different objects by different persons. The uses of flowers are as follows. Number 1, for decoration. Number 2, for medicines. Number 3, for making scent. Number 4, for eating. Number 5, for making garland. Number 6, for making bouquets. Number 7, for making colors. Know once again the uses of flowers. Number 1, for decoration. Number 2, for medicines. Number 3, for making scent. Number 4, for eating. Number 5, for making garland. Number 6, for making bouquet. And number 7, for making colors. Flowers are used for decorating houses, buildings, weddings, and in festivals. When you look the decoration with flowers, then you feel amazing. Flowers are natural things for the decoration. Flowers are also used for different medicines. Tulsi flower is used for medicine in different diseases. Sita Asok flower is also used for curing dysentery. Some other flowers are also used to make different medicines. Flowers are also used for making scents. Keura, rose, marigold, and chameli are used for making scents. You can also know about different flowers for making scent. Scent making is very popular and famous in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The Kannauj district in Uttar Pradesh is famous for making scent. Scent is also known as the name of Itr. Truckloads of flowers are brought from neighboring areas for this purpose. Itr, rose water, keura water are prepared from flowers here. Thousands of people in Kannauj are engaged in this work. Okay. Flowers are also used for eating. Drumstick, kachnar, and banana flower are used for making vegetables. Flowers are even eaten. What are the different ways we use flowers in our daily life? Do you know that flowers can be eaten as well? Many flowers are cooked as vegetables. In Uttar Pradesh, Firoza and Neelima enjoy eating a vegetable made of kachnar flowers. Once again, I want to repeat. In Uttar Pradesh, Firoza and Neelima enjoy eating a vegetable made of kachnar flowers. In Kerala, Yamini wants her mother to cook her a vegetable made of banana flowers. In Kerala, Yamini wants her mother to cook her a vegetable made of banana flowers. Mamta and Omar, who are from Maharashtra, love pakoras made of sahajan flowers. Once again, Mamta and Omar, who are from Maharashtra, love pakoras made of sahajan flowers. So, flowers are also used for making different vegetables and pakora. Flowers are also used to make garlands. You can look different garlands in marriage ceremony or different festivals. Roses and marigolds are mainly used for making garlands. Flowers are also used for making bouquets. Gladivoli, Rajnigandha, carnation, roses are used for making beautiful bouquets. Once again, gladioli, rajnigandha, carnation, roses are used for making beautiful bouquets. Flowers are also used for making colors. Colors are made from many flowers like marigold, zinnia, etc. These colors can also be used to dye cloth. In ancient time, colors were made by the use of different flowers. Some special uses of flowers are as follows. Flowers are also used at many occasions. Pink rose is used in Friendship Day. Rose and tulip are used in birthday gift. Bouquets of flowers are used on cemeteries. Bouquets are also used in marriage ceremony. Marigold is used in religious ceremony. Now know once again these special uses of flowers. Pink rose is used in Friendship Day. Rose and tulip are used in birthday gift. Bouquets of flowers are used on cemeteries. Bouquets are also used in marriage ceremony. Marigold is used in religious ceremony. Flowers are natural things. we should plant different flowers around our house. We should also protect the flowers. Never pluck flowers from anywhere. We should also make aware to others for not plucking of flowers. Flowers make our area colorful and attractive. When we pluck the flowers, they also feel pain. Flowers are just like the parts of plants as our body parts. Dr. Jagdish Chandra Basu was an Indian scientist who proved that plants also feel pain when we cut them or pluck them. Okay, so never try to pluck the flower. Now know about flowers in Granny's recipe. You may have heard of some of Granny's old recipes which use flowers. Here is a recipe for which rose water is used. Granny's recipe. Mix equal part of rose water and glycerin. Fill this in a bottle, add a few drops of lemon juice. In winters, use this mixture on your skin. Your skin will not crack or dry. Wow, what a beautiful recipe it is. You can use this recipe as Vaseline. You can also use this recipe in the place of Vaseline. Okay, but use this recipe only in winter, because in winter your skin and other parts of the body crack. So you can use this recipe in winter. Now we are going to know the favorite flowers of different god and goddess. Different god and goddess like different flowers like us. First of all, Dhatura. Dhatura is the favorite flower of Lord Shiva. Dhatura is the favorite flower of Lord Shiva. Red hibiscus. Red hibiscus is the favorite flower of goddess Kali. Red hibiscus is the favorite flower of goddess Kali. Next is Parijat. Parijat is the favorite flower of Lord Vishnu and goddess Lakshmi. Parijat is the favorite flower of Lord Vishnu and goddess Lakshmi. Next is Lotus. Lotus is the favorite flower of goddess Lakshmi. Lotus is the favorite flower of goddess Lakshmi. Next is Marigold. Marigold is the favorite flower of Lord Ganesha. Marigold is the favorite flower of Lord Ganesha. Next flower is Palas. Palas is the favorite flower of goddess Saraswati. Palas is the favorite flower of goddess Saraswati. Now next flower is Tulsi. Tulsi is the favorite flower of Lord Krishna. Tulsi is the favorite flower of Lord Krishna. The last flower is Jasmine. Jasmine is the favorite flower of Lord Hanuman. Okay, Jasmine is the favorite flower of Lord Hanuman. Now know some special knowledge about flowers. So be ready and know some special knowledge about flowers. I hope this knowledge will be interesting and helpful for you. Flowers grow on trees. Flowers grow on trees. The name of these flowers are Gulmohar and Kadam. Gulmohar and Kadam are two flowers which grow on the trees. Now next, flowers grow on bushes. Rose and hibiscus are those flowers that grow in bushes. Now next is the flowers grow in creepers. Champa and Snow White are the flowers which grow in creepers. Now those flowers which are grown in as water plants. Lotus and water lily are the flowers that grow as water plants. Flowers that bloom only at night. Flowers that bloom only at night. Jasmine and night queen. Jasmine and night queen are those flowers which can only bloom at night. Next, flowers bloom in the day and close at night. Flowers bloom in the day and close at night. The correct answer will be sunflower and lotus. Sunflower and lotus are those flowers that bloom in the day and close at the night. Flowers which you can recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed. Once again, flowers which you can recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed. Rose and jasmine. Rose and jasmine are those flowers which you can recognize easily by their scent even with your closed eyes. Flowers which bloom all the year around. Flowers which bloom all the year around. Rose and kumudini. Rose and kumudini are those flowers which bloom all the year around. Next is, which flower bloom only in certain months? Some flowers which bloom only in certain months. The name of such flowers are marigold and tulip. Marigold and tulip are those flowers that bloom in a certain month. Okay? I think you will have understood this chapter carefully. If you have any problem, then you can also play this video once again and you can look the same part. In this video, you have known total 8 topics and you have understood these all topics clearly. So for better understanding of this chapter, now I am going to ask some simple questions related to this chapter. Try to see the answer fast, otherwise I will tell the answer. Question number 1. Where is the capital of Uttarakhand? Once again, where is the capital of Uttarakhand? Question number 2. Where is the Valley of Flowers situated? Where is the Valley of Flowers situated? Question number 3. What was the old name of Uttarakhand? What was the old name of Uttarakhand? Question number 4. Which is the national flower of India? Once again, which is the national flower of India? Question number 5. Which is the smallest and the largest flower in the world? Once again, which is the smallest and which is the largest flower in the world? Question number 6. Which 2 flowers are used for making medicine? Once again, which 2 flowers are used for making medicines? Question number 7. Which 2 flowers are used for eating? Once again, which 2 flowers are used for eating? Question number 8. Which flower grows on a tree? Once again, which flower grows on a tree? Question number 9. Which flower is favorite to Lord Hanuman? Which flower is favorite to Lord Hanuman? Now question number 10. Where is Madhubani situated? Where is Madhubani situated? Now I am going to say the answer of these questions. So match the answer which you have thought. First question. Where is the capital of Uttarakhand? Dehradun will be the correct answer. Second question. Where is the Valley of Flowers situated? The correct answer will be Uttarakhand. Question number 3. What was the old name of Uttarakhand? Uttaranchal was the old name of Uttarakhand. Question number 4. Which is the national flower of India? Lotus is the national flower of India. Question number 5. Which is the smallest and the largest flower in the world? Wolffia is the smallest flower and Rafflesia arnoldi is the largest flower in the world. Next, question number 6. Which 2 flowers are used for making medicines? Which 2 flowers are used for making medicines? Tulsi and jasmine are 2 flowers which are used for making medicines. Number 7. Which two flowers are used for eating? Banana and kachnar flowers are used for eating. Question number 8. Which flower grows on a tree? Kachnar and kadam flowers are grown on a tree. Question number 9. Which flower is favorite to Lord Hanuman? Jasmine is the flower which is favorite to Lord Hanuman. Now question number 10. Where is Madhubani situated? Where is Madhubani situated? So the correct answer will be Madhubani is situated in Bihar. In this video, you have known 10 different topics. So revise once again which 10 topics you have known in this video. If you have any problem in any topic, then you can watch again the same topic from this video. After finishing this video, you have known total 10 topics. Number 1, knowledge about the valley of flowers. Number 2, identification of different flowers. Number 3, identification of different parts of the flowers. Number 4, knowledge about Madhubani art. Number 5, different uses of flowers. Number 6, some special uses of flowers at different occasions. Number 7, do not pluck flowers. Number 8, flowers in Granny's recipe. Number 9, favorite flowers of different god and goddess. And number 10, some question answer related to this chapter. So try to think about these 10 topics and which topic is not clear to you. You can watch the topic which you have not cleared at this time. That's all for today. We have finished this chapter in a single video. Now we will meet in our next video. So for the time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye you all. If you are first time viewer of this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more updates about this channel. Thank you.